Are you wanting to transition into making more food using whole wheat flour? Maybe you want more fiber in your diet. This whole wheat blueberry pancake recipe is a great one to help you with that transition. It is delicious and liked by all, even those that typically eat only regular white flour pancakes. I recommend you use pastry wheat flour since it gives you a lighter finished product and is perfect for quick breads. I'll post a link in the description box below of where you can find it. So let's get started making the whole wheat blueberry pancakes. Start by combining 3 cups of whole wheat pastry flour into a bowl, along with 2½ teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Whisk it all together. Mix in the blueberries and set aside. Adding the frozen blueberries to the flour is an important step because they won't clump together when you add them to your liquid ingredients. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Melt your butter and set aside. If you want to add a tablespoon of honey, you can do so at this point. It's totally optional to use the honey, and most of the time I don't. Into the bowl of your stand mixer or a large bowl if you don't have one, beat your eggs until smooth, add your milk and combine. Slowly add your melted butter to the milk mixture. Add the flour mixture to the liquid and stir just until combined. It's important to not overmix. Let the mixture set at room temperature for up to 30 minutes. This will aerate the batter, causing it to be lighter. While your batter is setting, why don't you heat up your pure maple syrup for the pancake so it's nice and hot. You can also add some water to the syrup to dilute it just a bit. Heat your griddle to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it has reached temperature, spray it with some cooking spray before ladling pancake batter onto the surface of the griddle. Tell me in the comments below, have you ever cooked with whole wheat and what has your experience been? Cook the pancakes until the sides are set and you see little bubbles on the surface of the pancake. Flip and cook for about 30 seconds more or until it's golden brown before removing. Repeat with the remaining batter. Finally, serve with butter and pure maple syrup and enjoy.